Today we're unboxing the Insta360 Xplorer Grip Pro for the Ace Pro 2. And because this camera is really just an action camera, could this be the upgrade that completely changes how you use it? This isn't just a grip like what came in the original Explorer combo. It's designed to make the camera feel a little bit more like a point and shoot camera and incorporate a little bit more control. So with that, let's get the box open and see if this really does make the Ace Pro 2 more like a point and shoot camera. I have yet to open this, so let's find out together what's in the box. First thing is the manual. Next we have the grip itself. Little carry strap. We also have one extra shutter button and the plug for the microphone jack. And that's it. There is the grip itself. Already I can tell it is definitely lighter than the original Explorer grip. Simple. Slide right in. You do have to take this door off. Make sure that's lined up and it just clips right into place. I already like the feel of this. This is the biggest reason I got it. I wanted to use this dial for the shutter speed to get to it a little bit quicker. I feel like it's just a little clunky going into the settings and trying to get to it that way. And the zoom, sometimes I want to just zoom in just a touch instead of going all the way to 2 times. I do like that. I like having the shutter button right there. You can still flip the screen up all the way. It cuts off a little bit of the bottom of it there whenever it is flipped up. The one thing I didn't like is there's not a 1/4-20 thread right there, which means if you want that, you still have to get a little adapter here to go into the quick attach, which kind of adds more to the bottom of it versus just having that. Now the first thing we got to do, now that we have the camera in and we're ready to use it, is go into the app and update the firmware on the camera itself. whenever I first did it, I had got a message saying that I needed to update the firmware in the grip as well, and you could just do that right off of the camera. And it just took a couple seconds to do that. It didn't take very long. And in here, we can come and adjust what the dial does. I've seen a lot of people use the filters, but I don't really care for that. I mainly wanted the shutter speed or the EV, maybe the ISO, something like that. I'll just leave it on shutter speed for now. Play around with that a little bit and see what I can do. Then you can turn on and off whether the Xplorer Grip powers the camera, whether it's below 15% or above 15%. That's another reason why I got this grip, and I kind of was interested in this over just the standard Xplorer grip, is having the extra battery. So now in photo mode, I can roll this over. It brings up your controls on the side, the first click, but then after that, now we can adjust the shutter speed manually real fast. Before, you'd have to kind of swipe over, click on that, scroll through. So if you flicked it too fast, it might scroll past it. But I do like this because you have an actual audible click for each one. And one quick tap of the zoom goes straight into 2 times, and back to the left it goes back out to 1 time. But if you hold it, you can slowly zoom in and out. Keep an eye out for a future video. I'm going to be using this and doing some HDR bracketed photos and seeing if this will make it a little bit easier doing that and how to do it on this camera. If you liked this video and found something of value, please consider liking and subscribing. Keep an eye out for some future videos on this grip and this camera, and we'll see you on the next one.